How to be a bird. The tutorial ever looked at a bird and thought, yeah, I could ruin my life like that? Step 1. The flap like you're trying to charge your phone with kinetic energy. Scientifically useless. Emotionally powerful. Step 2. The squawk scream call. To claim territory. Doesn't work, but confuses enemies. Call rule. I live here now, Brenda. Step 3. Bird diet. Only eat things you find on the ground. If it didn't fall, it's not authentic. Bonus, iron deficiency. Step 4. Bird walk hop around like taxes don't apply to you. Peck at the air. People will respect your confidence. Bird fact, owls can rotate their heads 270 degrees. You cannot, but you should try anyway. Gently. Being a bird isn't about wings. It's about chaos. Subscribe or I'll build a nest in your mailbox.